Halfway done. It's looking okay right now. Pretty good. Really want to do the top, but I'm gonna put that tray up there. Still gotta do this side. This is the side that faces out the door. That's the truck, by the way. Gotta get it all cleaned up. It's a 40-ton rotator. Can't see that. There you go. That drop actually is a steer tire, for the reason that it actually steers. You turn the front wheels and those wheels turn too. This is where the toolboxes go, or the one toolbox that I'm polishing. Side tunnel box there. It's going to go in here, back there in the corner, so I got to polish the one side of it. Sticks out. Kenworth. I gotta polish those tanks too. When I first saw this truck, I was like, oh man, it's the Durabrite wheels. If you know about those, they're clear coated, so they don't really shine that well. I mean, they shine, but if you really want to get them to shine, you gotta take that clear coat off. But anyway, that's the truck. It's gonna be pretty sweet. We got a 60-ton, but the only problem with that is we go out to move something, you go do a call or something, he's got to get, you know, if he gets called back, and he's got to switch out trucks, and it's just a pain. But with a 40-ton, you know, you can just go out and do what you're doing, move containers or whatever, and go out and grab a tractor or something after that. You won't be overweight. Pretty sweet truck, just got it yesterday. It'll look a whole lot better when it gets all done. Got a bunch of crap in here. All the recovery straps and everything. But you don't want to see that. I'll be back in a little bit.